Hey guys, how you doing? It's JL the Pitmaster. Hey, we're right back at it again today. And today we're getting ready to put the hog on. The hog have stayed overnight. 24 hours ago, we're gonna put on the smoker. But now, looking at your fire, I want you to see something here. I started these a moment ago, and I did that on purpose because I was trying to get me as many coals on that bottom as I can. And having a bed of coals will guarantee you that you can smoke all night. And without having that bed of coals, your fire is going to go out pretty much no matter how much wood you put in it. But them coals is going to last, and they just going to keep on going. You come off in here now, right off in this area, this baby is hot. Now, I want to get my hog on there before I add more wood to it, because I do not want the fire to blaze up on me. So we're going to get the hog on the smoker before we add any more wood to it. Okay? Here it is. We're just going to go around here now. And just like this, we'll wrap this hog up like it's a fucking Christmas present. One thing is, Kevin, turn this around. I want the ass towards the fire. We want the ass towards the fire, and the reason why the ass goes towards the fire, because I don't want to burn up my whole face right over here. See this face right here? I don't want to burn that up. Kevin, we also gonna need a can. We're gonna have to put a can in her mouth and hold her mouth open so that we can put the apple in there later. If we don't put the can in her mouth, when we get through smoking her, she's gonna be like this. I know it scared the hell out of some of y'all, didn't it? But yeah, her mouth will close from the heat, so we gotta put something in her to keep her mouth open, okay? We'll find something here in just a moment. Or maybe I just buy Kevin a beer and he drink it real quick and then give me the damn can. I'm sure that'll work too. Won't it, Kevin?
Sometimes. Not tonight, though.
Not tonight? All right, so we're gonna put the ass toward the fire, because this right here, this here is your ham and all that. That shit ain't gonna burn on you. But that's why I want the big ass, the big piece towards the fire.
See that fat ass?
Yeah.
See that juicy fat ass?
So, all right. That could be a song.
I just spit a little rhyme on that.
There you go.
I got that ass up and the leg open.
Yeah.
We ready to pop that hog like we was smoking.
Woo! What we need to get done and get cooked is this over here. This is what needs to get cooked. And that's where the heat is going to be penetrated at. When we come there in the morning by doing that, your skin ain't gonna have much color at all. All of your heat is gonna be concentrated on the top. I'd rather deal with the skin tomorrow where I can have a professional eye on it. You know, because right here, this way here, if I flip her, that skin may, wind can come through this time of year. Wind can come through, get too much heat off in there, and I end up with too much heat, and I get more, and I'm protecting the color of the skin.
So it won't be any problem fucking you.
Oh no. Matter of fact, that's this thing cooked. Only thing that may cause you a little issue is that because she's so tender.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, she'll get a little tender, but the way I'm cooking her, she won't be that tender. Yeah, she hasn't even been wrapped yet. Because I'm gonna wrap her tomorrow morning, going into the thing. So, you know, I'll be running my ass down here tomorrow morning about 6:30, 7 o'clock, laying foil over everything, tucking it all underneath it, and things like that in that way, just so we can keep the party rolling like that.
Gotcha.
Yeah. But if that skin was on the other side, I would have a hard night's sleep.
Okay.
I would be a little afraid
It makes a lot of sense.
because of the heat, and I can't control it in, at nighttime. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why she went down, so she ready here now. It'll be amazing when that heat come in. You'll think because this is laying down, that this will get all that heat. Nope. All that heat is gonna be on top.
And like you said with the other cuts over here.
They're gonna block everything. It's gonna be
Offset it.
all like a barricade.
Okay.
Yeah. Alrighty. Let's get a can to go put in her mouth. Go around here. Open your mouth for me. Let me feed you. Ooh. And make sure when you're doing it that you push that can all the way up in her mouth. And that's gonna help us. We're gonna get an apple tomorrow and put it in there. We're gonna decorate her tomorrow with kale greens, pineapples, and we're gonna have an apple in her mouth. She's gonna look real pretty. We end up going 12 with ours. We're gonna slow this fire way down, and we're gonna cook her low and slow. And watch this, guys. Very important. Very important. People do it all the time. They go out here and they take the bone out, wiggle the bone out of the pulled pork, and all of that. Because the pulled pork is tender, does not mean that it's juicy. Everything that is tender is not, I can't say that enough, it does not mean that you have cooked it properly. This is JL the Pitmaster. We'll see you tomorrow when we're taking this hog off, okay?